Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue if your BMW 3 Series is not connecting the Bluetooth. So the first thing that you can try, and maybe it's going to work out, is that you want to disconnect your phone from your car and your car from the phone. So what you want to do is this. You want to go to top right on your Android phone. Then right here you want to go to connections. Here under Wi-Fi you're going to have Bluetooth. And there you can have BMW, you want to go to settings, and there you're gonna find unpair. This is similar to iPhone, so this is the first way, unpair both. Then you're gonna want to turn off the phone, turn it on, and try to pair it. If this thing is not going to work out, then what you need to do is you want to reset the iDrive for BMW 3 Series. You want to just press and hold the volume button for about 60 seconds. Try it out. Maybe it's not going to work out, maybe it does. I'm just like throwing out ideas for you to fix that. So press and hold the volume button for about, let's say, 60 to 80 seconds, and then you're just gonna wait. And you're gonna wait and wait, and then it should also work. So thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.